Hello guys and welcome. Today I will show you how you can transfer our video files from the Android phone to the iOS. So we have to start from downloading this app on both devices. Now we have to confirm and continue. Now allow us any permissions. Now go to the videos, and how you can see I have one video file here. So we have to mark it and click send. Now we have to open this app on the second device and click here on receive. Now input the key from the first one and click receive. How you can see, now my Android phone is sending the video file to the iOS. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.